Piaggio Fast Forward was started nearly 2 years ago, originally as a think tank. We started with a small team of designers developing a series of concepts and ideas around the future of mobility. We're seeing that composites are increasingly being used in vehicle design and industry as well, and so we want to move in that direction with lightweight, strong, stiff structures. We actually purchased the Markforged before we had any office furniture, simply because we knew that we could print small composite parts with them. We recently launched our first vehicle, Jita, in February of 2017, which is an autonomous cargo-carrying robot that has the ability to follow a human being around. Currently, Jita consists of a fully carbon fiber reinforced structure as well as an envelope on the sides with the domes. A lot of the Markforged parts that are being printed here are then bonded onto the structure itself, either to the chassis or to the exterior.
Using the 3D printer, we're able to design a part and print it overnight and then test it on the prototype the next morning.
We knew that we wanted to be able to print parts that were reinforced in carbon, and Markforged is the only desktop printer that allows us to do so.
This is one of the features that has continuous carbon fiber embedded in it, and it's what allows us to be able to pick up the entire weight of the robot.
We currently have a Mark II printer and 2 Onyx ones, and our bandwidth has increased significantly. With the printers, we were able to cycle through multiple design iterations much more quickly and produce parts much faster. As a result of that, we were able to prototype 5 fully working vehicles in the course of nearly 6 months.
Some of the mechanical engineers who are more experienced with machining parts would ask me, why are we always using 3D printing? Why does everything need to be 3D printed? 3D printing just allows you this additional dimension of creating multiple functions with a single part, which I find super valuable.
We see our print farm growing with the addition of more printers in the future, and we definitely see ourselves continuing to use Markforged as part of our standard workflow.